Hello everyone. Today we will discuss topic K-map. So K-map is used to simplify any SOAP form or POS form. SOAP form is sum of product form and POS form is product of sum form. K-map can be draw for any kind of variable, any number of variable like 2 variable, 3 or 4 variable. If we talk about how to draw a 2 variable K-map, so these are the 2 variable x and y. The value of x is 0 and 1, same as for y variable. 2 values are considered 0 and 1. So this is the combination for 0 0, that is x0 and y0. This is for x0, y1, x1 and y0, and both values are 1 1. If we convert these binary value into decimal form, then these will be considered as 0 1 2 and 3 locations. Same if you talk about K-map of 3 variable, we can draw it like value of x is 0 and 1, value of yz is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. If we convert these value into decimal value, these can be written as 0, 0th location, first, second and third location. See, there is this location address is 0 1 0. If we convert this can be converted into decimal value 2, and if we convert this 0 1 1, it can be written as 3. Same here, 4 5 6 and 7. 6 is written as 1 1 0 and 7 will be written as 1 1. So if we talk about 4 variable K-map, it can be written as, there are two variables are written here, a b, and 2 are here, c d. Combination of these 2 variables are 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Same here, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. If we convert these locations, these binary values into particular location, these can be written as 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It will be written as 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15th location. For the 4 variable, it is a 4 by 4 matrix. So let's solve a Boolean expression using the K-map. So our question is ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar C plus A B bar C bar and plus A bar B C. See, there are 3 variables A, B and C for which we have to draw a K-map. So we will draw a K-map. One variable is on the left hand side, and 2 variable will be on the upper side. 0 and 1, these values are for the A variable, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. These values are for the B and C variable. So our in the Boolean expression, our first expression is A B C. So A is here, the value of A is 1, so it will be considered as positive value A. B C, 1 1 is this, so B and C. So in this row and column, this location is common. In the next expression, A B C bar, for the A, this complete row, and for the B C bar is this column. So in these row and column, this location is common. Next is A B bar C. For A is this one and B bar C is this one column. So this location is common for both the expression. Next is A B bar C bar. For A, this row, and for B bar C bar is this one column. So this particular location is common in both the variable. Next is A bar, B bar and C. For the A bar, this particular row is common, and for the B bar C, this particular column is common. In both these row and column, this particular location is common in both the variable. So if we group these variable, 2 groups are, we can make 2 groups here. For this one these 4 variable, and the other one group is these 2 variable. If we minimize these 2 variable, let's see, in these 2 variable, A and B is not common, because in this location A is 0, in this location A is 1. So our common variable is B bar C. And if we talk about this grouping, there is no column, no value of B and C is common here, only A variable is common here. So it will be written as A plus B bar C. So this is the simplified expression of this given question using K-map. Thank you.